What if the secret to supporting your heart and overall well-being wasn't hidden in expensive supplements or seafood at all, but growing quietly in your own backyard, hiding among common garden plants, or sitting unnoticed on your kitchen shelf? Most people have spent years believing that omega-3 only comes from fish like salmon or from tiny capsules purchased at the pharmacy. But nature has a much bigger story to tell. Countless plants, many of which have been treasured for thousands of years, are naturally rich in this valuable nutrient, yet they remain overlooked by modern diets. Today, we're uncovering 20 incredible plants packed with plant-based omega-3 that deserve far more attention than they receive. Some of them are familiar favorites, while others may completely surprise you. In fact, one of the plants on today's list is a weed that many gardeners pull out without a second thought, even though it contains more omega-3 than almost any leafy vegetable ever studied. Another is a bright yellow flowering plant you've probably driven past hundreds of times without realizing the nutritional treasure hidden inside it. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications because every week we explore fascinating plants, practical gardening tips, and natural ways to live healthier through the incredible gifts of nature. If you enjoy discovering forgotten foods and timeless gardening wisdom, you're in the right place. Now, before we jump into the list, there's one important fact worth understanding. The omega-3 found in plants is primarily a healthy fat called alpha-linolenic acid, often shortened to ALA. Your body can use this nutrient, and research suggests it plays an important role in supporting heart health, brain function, and overall wellness. However, it isn't identical to the marine omega-3 found in fish, and your body only converts a portion of it into those forms. That's why these plants should be viewed as valuable additions to a balanced diet rather than replacements for medical advice or treatments recommended by your healthcare provider. With that in mind, let's begin our journey with one of the oldest and most respected plants in human history. First on our list is flaxseed, often considered the king of plant-based omega-3 sources. Although these tiny brown or golden seeds may not look impressive, they are nutritional powerhouses. For thousands of years, civilizations have relied on flax not only for food but also for clothing and survival. Ancient Egyptians famously produced fine linen from its fibers, while also enjoying its seeds as nourishment. Even today, flax remains one of the richest plant sources of omega-3 available. Just a single tablespoon of freshly ground flaxseed provides around 2 grams of ALA, making it one of the easiest ways to increase your daily intake naturally. But here's an important detail that many people never learn. Whole flax seeds are protected by an incredibly hard outer shell. If you eat them whole, they often pass through your digestive system almost untouched, meaning much of their nutrition goes unused. Grinding the seeds before eating them unlocks those healthy oils, allowing your body to absorb the benefits. Since these natural oils are delicate, freshly ground flaxseed should always be stored in an airtight container inside the refrigerator to help preserve its freshness. Sometimes the most powerful nutrition isn't found in exotic superfoods at all, but in simple ingredients sitting quietly on the grocery store shelf. Next comes another ancient favorite that has made an impressive comeback in modern kitchens: chia seeds. Today, they're often blended into smoothies or transformed into creamy puddings, but their story began thousands of years ago in the civilizations of Central America. The Aztecs and Mayans valued chia so highly that it became one of their essential foods. In fact, the word chia has long been associated with strength and endurance. Warriors, messengers, and travelers carried these tiny seeds during long journeys because they provided lasting energy without taking up much space. Modern science confirms what those ancient cultures already understood. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain more than 5 grams of plant-based omega-3, placing them among the richest natural sources available anywhere in the world. One of chia's most unique qualities is its remarkable ability to absorb water. Within minutes of soaking, each tiny seed expands into a soft gel that makes it easy to digest while creating a satisfying texture perfect for oatmeal, yogurt, smoothies, or refreshing drinks. This simple characteristic has helped chia become a favorite among gardeners, health-conscious families, and anyone looking for an effortless way to add more nutrition to everyday meals. As we continue through this list, you'll begin to notice a fascinating pattern. Many of the plants offering the greatest nutritional value aren't new discoveries at all. They were trusted by ancient civilizations long before modern nutrition science existed, quietly providing nourishment generation after generation. Sometimes the greatest secrets to better health aren't hidden, they've simply been forgotten. After discovering two of the greatest plant-based sources of omega-3, it's time to move on to another remarkable food that has quietly earned its place among nature's nutritional champions. Our third plant is the humble walnut, a familiar snack that carries a fascinating history and an impressive nutritional profile. Have you ever noticed that the shape of a walnut looks strikingly similar to the human brain? For centuries, ancient healers believed that a plant's appearance hinted at its purpose. And while that old belief belongs to history, modern research confirms that walnuts truly are one of the finest sources of plant-based omega-3 available. Unlike most other tree nuts, walnuts naturally contain generous amounts of alpha-linolenic acid, providing roughly 2.5 grams in just a single handful. Long before supermarkets and refrigeration existed, families carefully harvested and stored walnuts to provide valuable nutrition throughout harsh winters when fresh foods became scarce. Their rich combination of healthy fats made them an essential survival food for countless generations. However, these same healthy oils are also delicate. Exposure to heat, light, and air can quickly cause walnuts to lose their freshness. So storing them in a cool, sealed container helps preserve both their flavor and nutritional value. Rather than thinking of walnuts as just another snack, consider them one of nature's simplest ways to enjoy plant-based omega-3 every day. Our fourth plant may surprise some people because it has often been misunderstood for decades. Hemp seeds, sometimes sold as hemp hearts, have absolutely no mind-altering effects. Yet they are loaded with nutrients that deserve far more attention. Just 3 tablespoons provide around 3 grams of omega-3, along with complete plant protein, magnesium, and several important minerals that support overall wellness. One reason nutrition experts often praise hemp is its naturally balanced ratio of omega-3 to omega-6 fatty acids, a balance that many people struggle to achieve through modern diets. Thousands of years ago, hemp was one of humanity's most useful crops. Families relied on it not only for food but also for producing rope, fabric, sails, and countless household essentials. Over time, confusion surrounding the plant caused many people to overlook its incredible nutritional benefits. Today, however, hemp seeds are making a well-deserved return to kitchens around the world. Their mild, nutty flavor makes them easy to sprinkle over salads, yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies, adding valuable nutrition without changing the taste of your favorite meals. Sometimes the foods that have been misunderstood the longest turn out to be among the most beneficial. Our fifth plant introduces many viewers to something they may have never heard of before. Perilla, also known in some countries as shiso. This fragrant leafy herb has been an important part of Korean, Japanese, and Chinese cuisine for generations, yet it remains relatively unknown in many Western gardens. What makes perilla truly extraordinary is its seed oil, which contains one of the highest concentrations of plant-based omega-3 ever measured. In fact, more than half of the oil can consist of alpha-linolenic acid, placing it alongside flax and chia as one of the richest plant sources available. Across Asia, the broad aromatic leaves are wrapped around grilled foods, while the roasted seeds are ground into flavorful seasonings and sauces that have been enjoyed for centuries. Researchers continue exploring perilla's potential health-supporting properties, although it should always be appreciated as a nutritious food rather than a medical treatment. Despite its remarkable qualities, perilla never became a common household plant in much of the Western world, which explains why so many people have never encountered it. Yet it grows surprisingly well in home gardens, making it an exciting option for anyone interested in expanding their collection of edible plants. Now we arrive at one of the biggest surprises on this entire list, the plant many gardeners unknowingly destroy every season. Purslane may appear to be nothing more than an unwanted weed spreading across flower beds and vegetable gardens, but hiding beneath its thick, succulent leaves is one of nature's greatest nutritional secrets. Scientific studies have found that purslane contains more omega-3 than any leafy vegetable commonly measured, making it an astonishing discovery for anyone interested in natural nutrition. Even more fascinating, it is one of the very few land plants known to contain tiny amounts of the same long-chain omega-3 compounds usually associated with marine life. For thousands of years, people throughout the Mediterranean, the Middle East, and parts of Central America gathered purslane as a fresh vegetable rather than treating it as a nuisance. Its crisp texture and refreshing, slightly lemony flavor make it an excellent addition to salads and other fresh dishes. Of course, as with any wild edible plant, correct identification is essential before consuming it, and those who are sensitive to oxalates should enjoy it in moderation. Still, it's remarkable to think that one of the richest leafy sources of omega-3 may already be growing freely between garden rows, waiting to be appreciated instead of pulled out and discarded. As our journey continues, one thing becomes increasingly clear. Nature has quietly surrounded us with incredible sources of nourishment for thousands of years. Many of these plants were once everyday staples in traditional diets before modern lifestyles pushed them into the background. Rediscovering these forgotten foods doesn't require expensive supplements or complicated diets. It simply requires looking at familiar plants through a new perspective. And we're only getting started, because the next group of plants reveals even more fascinating stories and surprising nutritional treasures waiting to be uncovered. The next stop on our journey takes us deep into one of the world's oldest rainforests, where an extraordinary climbing vine has quietly provided nourishment for generations. Plant number 7 is Sacha inchi, often called the Inca peanut, although it isn't actually a peanut at all. Hidden inside its unusual star-shaped pods are seeds that rank among the richest natural plant sources of omega-3. Indigenous communities throughout the Amazon have harvested and enjoyed these seeds for centuries, recognizing their remarkable nutritional value long before modern science began studying them. Once roasted, Sacha inchi develops a rich, buttery flavor with hints of both almonds and peanuts, making it an enjoyable snack as well as a nutritional powerhouse. What truly sets it apart is its exceptionally high concentration of alpha-linolenic acid. In fact, a single serving can provide significantly more plant-based omega-3 than an equal portion of walnuts. Alongside these healthy fats, the seeds also supply plant protein and vitamin E, a natural antioxidant that helps protect the delicate oils from breaking down too quickly. For countless generations, this remarkable plant remained one of the Amazon's best-kept secrets, known only to the people who lived among the rainforest. Today, it is slowly gaining recognition around the world, giving more people the opportunity to experience a food that has quietly supported healthy diets for centuries. Our 8th plant is another forgotten treasure that once played an important role in everyday life across Europe. Camelina, sometimes known as false flax or gold of pleasure, has been cultivated since the Bronze Age, yet most people have never even heard its name. Long before modern farming focused on only a handful of major crops, camelina was widely appreciated for its resilience and nutritional benefits. The small seeds produce an oil naturally rich in omega-3, often containing between 35 and 45% alpha-linolenic acid. Unlike many other delicate plant oils, camelina oil is naturally more stable, allowing it to resist spoilage better than several other omega-3 rich oils. This quality made it especially valuable in the days before refrigeration, when families needed foods that could be safely stored for extended periods. Although industrial agriculture eventually pushed camelina aside, today's interest in sustainable farming has sparked a renewed appreciation for this hardy crop. It grows well in poor soil, requires relatively little water, and offers farmers an environmentally friendly alternative that combines resilience with excellent nutrition. By now, you may have noticed an interesting pattern emerging throughout this list. Many of the richest plant-based sources of omega-3 are not modern discoveries at all. Instead, they are ancient crops, forgotten grains, overlooked weeds, and traditional foods that quietly served humanity for thousands of years before being replaced by modern convenience. If you're enjoying discovering these hidden nutritional gems, don't forget to support the channel by leaving a like and subscribing. Every week we continue exploring fascinating plants, practical gardening ideas, and timeless natural wisdom that still has tremendous value today. Now let's continue, because the next collection of plants proves that even some of the most familiar foods on your dinner table can contain surprising nutritional benefits. Plant number 9 is the soybean, a crop often misunderstood in today's world. Many people associate soy only with processed foods or livestock feed, never realizing that whole soybeans are naturally nutritious. Young green soybeans, commonly known as edamame, contain meaningful amounts of plant-based omega-3 alongside complete protein, fiber, and essential minerals. A generous serving contributes valuable ALA, while also delivering nutrients that help make meals both filling and balanced. Soybeans have been cultivated for well over 3,000 years and were once considered one of the 5 sacred grains of ancient China. Traditional foods such as tofu, tempeh, and edamame continue that long history, reminding us that simple, minimally processed ingredients often provide far more value than heavily manufactured alternatives. Our 10th plant is one that has struggled with an undeserved reputation for years: Brussels sprouts. These miniature cabbage-like vegetables may have been disliked by generations of children, but much of that reputation came from the way they were cooked rather than the vegetable itself. When overboiled, Brussels sprouts develop a strong sulfur aroma that masks their naturally pleasant flavor. Roast them instead, and they become tender inside with beautifully caramelized edges that transform the eating experience completely. Beyond their improved flavor, Brussels sprouts also contribute small but meaningful amounts of plant omega-3. While they don't compete with seeds like flax or chia, vegetables are typically eaten in much larger portions, allowing those smaller amounts to add up naturally over time. For centuries, these hardy vegetables thrived throughout northern Europe because they tolerated cold weather when many other crops failed, providing families with fresh nutrition even during difficult seasons. Their ability to survive harsh conditions made them an important part of traditional gardens, proving once again that some of the most dependable foods are often the ones we underestimate. As we prepare to continue into the next section of our journey, one lesson has become impossible to ignore. The healthiest plants aren't always the newest superfoods promoted across social media. Many have been quietly nourishing people for thousands of years, waiting patiently to be rediscovered by a new generation. Whether it's an ancient rainforest seed, a forgotten European grain, a traditional Asian bean, or a humble vegetable growing in your backyard, nature continues to remind us that extraordinary nutrition is often found in the most ordinary places. And believe it or not, we've only reached the halfway point, because the remaining plants reveal even more surprising examples of how the natural world has been supporting human health all along.